Hello, this is just a quick introduction to this channel, which will be dedicated to the Hello Neighbor game series. This channel will feature guides, speedruns, funny moments, and updates on new releases. This channel will mainly focus on well, not mainly, but 100% focus on the vanilla game. And yeah, and I'll be happy to help anyone out with a personalized guide or turn your video idea into an actual video. So, please send everything into the comments that you want. I'll read all of them, and yeah, maybe even, or not maybe, but probably turn your comment into a video. So yeah, with that said, like, subscribe, of course, comment, and yeah, I'll see you in my first real upload. Maybe even your idea. Bye.